Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Chris. I'm out in the Caliente garage. In this video, I'm going to install these Kuryakyn Omni LED rear saddlebag accent lights for the new style Honda Goldwing. And these are fit Goldwings year models 2018 or newer. I wanted to give more visibility to the back of the Honda Goldwing. So I'm going to install these Kuryakyn Omni LED lights. They actually offer running, brake and turn signals, so this is going to give even more visibility to the back of this new style Honda Goldwing. So stay tuned to this video and I'm going to show you how I install them on my 21 Honda Goldwing. So let's get started. Looking at these Omni lights, they are a plug and play, but they plug directly into the wiring adapter 3268, and that 3268 is actually sold separately. So if you're going to install the Omni lights, you either need to straight wire them or you can pick up Kuryakyn 3268, which is sold separately. So for my installation, I'm going to straight wire them. For step-by-step instructions on how to remove these rear panels on the new style Honda Goldwing, be sure to click on the link in the top corner and I'll walk you through step-by-step on how to actually remove the rear saddlebag panels on the new style Honda Goldwing. So looking at the Kuryakyn Omni lights, one thing I noticed is that the plugs on the Omni lights will actually plug into the Pathfinder connectors. Now, whether or not it would actually work, I'm not 100% sure. So I'm going to plug in these Kuryakyn lights into the Pathfinder connector, and I'm going to see if the Pathfinder connector is wired up the same as the Kuryakyn. If not, then I can straight wire it, move the connections around to get the Omni lights to work. Otherwise, you're going to need to plug and play adapter. So the plug on the Omni lights looks identical to the plugs on the Pathfinder. They are the same connectors, but I don't know if they're wired up the same. So I'm gonna plug it in and see if the connectors are wired the same. If not, I will rewire the connector. That way I don't have to cut off the tip of the Kuryakyn Omni lights. So I'm going to find my Pathfinder connector. So the blue on the Pathfinder represents the right side, and the yellow on the Pathfinder represents the left side. So I'm going to plug in the left Omni light and see if it actually comes on. Here we go. So the Kuryakyn light did not come on. So apparently they have it wired differently on the Pathfinder. So they're using the same connector, but they're wired differently. On the Kuryakyn light, we have 4 colors. Most likely ground, tail lights, running lights, and brake lights. So I'm going to take out one of these Pathfinder connectors. So if I hook this up correctly, this Omni light should turn on. That's my right Omni light. And this is my left. So when I turn on the bike, everything should light up. Left turn. Right turn. Brakes. So now I have everything wired up correctly. I just need to do a little bit of wire management, and then I can begin on installing the Omni lights to the back rear saddlebag panels. I got to prepare to place the Omni light. The light is going to go at the top corner. The light is going to go at the top corner. And it's going to attach to the inside corner. So I'm going to take some masking tape. So I've cleaned the panels real good. Took some Dawn dishwashing liquid and clean the area, and then once I mark my holes, I'm going to come back with alcohol and wipe everything down. And I got to cut the hole big enough to put that plug through. So I'm going to take my drill. Now it's time to drill through. I'm going to take my step bit. I want to make sure that it's big enough to feed my light through. That looks like a perfect fit. So take my tape off. I'm going to take some alcohol. I've already cleaned the panels with soap and water, some Dawn, to take off any grease. And I'm just going to finalize it with some alcohol. Make sure it's nice and clean. So while that's drying, I'm going to take a washer and just activate some of this adhesion by rubbing the back of the 3M tape with the washer. You can use a penny, you could use a washer. Just want to get that adhesion to rise to the surface of the Kuryakyn light. Just going to lay this in my lap. Pull the wire through. I got one chance to get this right. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So next we can work on the other side. I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to take my masking tape. I'm going to put it at the top. Like so. I want to do a dry fit just to see exactly where this is going to. Just going to mark it with my pen. So it's time to drill. We measured 5 times. Now it's time to drill. Gonna verify that my cord goes through. Just gonna pull the light through. It would have been nice if they would have included a template in the box, but there was no template. I mean, that looks spot on. Gonna take my alcohol, since I've already cleaned the panel. With Dawn dishwashing liquid, just gonna wipe off any residue that remains on the panel. Gonna take my washer, just get some of the adhesion to lift. Okay, here comes the fun part. And just lay it up and press it. Perfect. And I'm just gonna press it to sandwich it. And this is going to conclude my installation video of the Kuryakyn Omni lights for the new style Honda Goldwing. I recommend that if you install the Kuryakyn Omni lights for the new style Honda Gold Wing to just pick up the Kuryakyn plug and play wiring harness, the Kuryakyn 3268 wiring adapter, and the wire connector kit. It's a simple plug and play, and you can plug the Omni lights directly into that wiring adapter. No need to straight wire. I will include in the description of the video where you can pick up the Kuryakyn Omni lights and the Kuryakyn plug and play wiring adapter. Since I have the rear saddlebag panels already removed, stay tuned to the channel. I have more rear lights to install on this Honda Gold Wing. Be sure to drop a comment down in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will talk to you guys later. See ya.